Someday you'll return to your valleys and your farms, and you'll no longer burn to be brothers in arms. I'm just an aging drummer boy, and in the wars I used to play, and I've called a tune to many a torture session. Now they say I am a war criminal, and I'm fading away. I have legalized robbery, called it belief. I have run with the money, I have hit like a thief. Rewritten history with my armies and my crooks, invented memories. I didn't learn all, I can still hear it. Well, I tried to be meek, I have tried to be mild, but I spat like a woman and I sulked like a child. I have lived behind walls that have made me alone, striven for peace, which I never